Hey guys, so I'm reading this book. This is the Markandeya Puraan. So, those of you who don't know, there are 18 Puran in Vedic um, knowledge. There are like 4 Vedas, 108 Upanishads, and 18 Puranas. This is one of the Puranas, and I'm so astonished to read this page. Right now, I'm in chapter 44, and so it says uh, so this is something about evolution and creation. It says the mountains had submerged into a single ocean of water, and the wind and heat had there had reduced them into a single mass. So it kind of talks about Pangea, that today is the accepted theory in geology that there was a single land mass on Earth called Pangea. And then it says the mountains were now placed in the exact places where they used to be earlier. He refers to God here, divided up the earth and adorned it with seven dweepas. So dweep is an island or a continent, and we all know that single landmass finally turned into seven continents. And it mentions that, it also later mentions that first the plants uh, or vegetative life originated. It talks about mukhya creation. Mukhya is like the first creation, and then came animal life, and then it goes into some you know some divine pathways also, like how it goes into how then the devas and then the human life came into being, and then other things that are a bit complex and of some divine nature, maybe with metaphorically trying to express something. But focusing on this point, that this book, which is uh, you know evidently more than 1,000 or maybe 2,000 years old, and since it is said that these books or this knowledge was also transmitted orally, so if we believe that, then this is probably a 3,000 to 4,000 year old Puran. And this 4,000 old year book is mentioning about Pangea and the seven continents. So this is just mind blowing. And there are a lot of other things I found in this book about the units of time and politics, and so much more in just one book. So I mean, we can just imagine the depth and vastness of the knowledge that was available in ancient times, and stop thinking that everything got discovered in the last 200 years only.